Hello everyone, Andreas here from Hike and Camp in Hong Kong. Today I'm in the wonderful, relatively new Kai Tak Park, just opposite the AIRSIDE, which has just opened a few days ago. Today I want to share with you the wonderful experience of unpacking the DJI OM6. Some of you will say DJI OSMO Mobile 6. Okay, however, if you are interested what you can expect in the package, then stay with me. Let's start. At the back side of the box you can check what you can expect inside the box. One, of course, the OM6 for itself, the phone clamp, the magnetic clamp, and the grip tripod, the power cable, storage pouch, and the manual, the documents. This is the box, DJI OSMO Mobile 6. The price is still on it, 999 Hong Kong dollar. So let's try to open it carefully. Yeah, always a lot of plastic. So the excitement of opening, how to open it. So let's see, what do we have? The clamp, the magnetic clamp. That should be the tripod. Wonderful. And then the Osmo 6 for itself. Wow, everywhere plastic, everything separate, closed. So something is still missing. What I have here, there is the pouch. Yeah, can you see? The charging cable. So I think that's it. There's only an empty carton in here. So this is all what is inside the box. But now I'm still missing the documents. Where are the documents? Oh, here. Good packed in, yeah, documentation, manual, and so on. I will take a look later. So that is all what we have, but that is all what we can expect in this box for that price. So now I have unpacked my OM6. When will you unpack yours? I hope soon. But don't forget to check out the compatible list from DJI, whether your phone is in the list. See you soon in the next video.